Hello and welcome, my dear friends, to Switzerland. Yeah, it's a rainy day here in the Alps and it's got about 10 degrees and stuff, and it's, wet as you can see. And we're here in the worst looking region of Switzerland I've been in so far. So let's leave this place and enter Italy, shall we? Yes, we shall. So let's do this. So we're here on our way and we're going to Italia, to eat some pizza, mangiare pizza e pasta e cipolla and stuff. This is as far as my Italian goes. So now that you've heard all of it, let's continue, shall we? So the border is somewhere right over there, so it's not far, so we'll just cross it. And as you can see, there's a place called Chiavenna or something like that, straight ahead. Or if we go right, there's a place called Castagna, whatever, something. And there's the border. And look at this scenic view. Isn't it scenic? It is. Of course it is. And there's a Swiss flag waving over there. And anything else I want to tell you? No, I don't think so. Let's just enjoy the silence for a moment and let's just drive to Italy. Enough of the silence, we arrived at the border. So there's a roundabout, and if we take the second exit, which is this exit, we're crossing it. Dogana Castasegna, leaving Switzerland. Grüezi Switzerland or bye bye Switzerland, I'm not sure what it says. Ade, bye bye, whatever. And welcome to Italy, that's where we are. No people anywhere, so nobody checking on us, so this is nice. We really like Schengen. And benvenuti a Italia. Let's just continue this video until we arrive at the sign that tells us that we're actually in Italy. And then we could actually end this video very soon, I guess. A roundabout, Italian roundabout. This is fun, isn't it? Italian roundabout, Swiss roundabout. Many roundabouts here. Very round. That's what it's about. Italia. As you can see, we arrived in Italia. And now we're here. Back in the European Union. Back in the land of roaming. Back in the region of roaming. Yes, because to be honest, the whole European Union feels like a big country already. So Switzerland is kind of the exception. And yes, we're here. And I think this is enough of the video already. Goodbye.